All right, so today for our second activity, you're going to need the 99 chart again. So I have mine right here. You can print one out, remember, if you can't find yours. You're also going to need something to cover some numbers. So I'm going to use these little squares just to cover a bunch of numbers. You could also, if you don't have these little squares, that's fine. Find something else, maybe some pennies, or you could rip up a piece of paper into little pieces and use that to cover some numbers. So just whatever you can find. Okay, so we're going to cover some numbers together. I'm going to read out the list for you, but you can pause it while you're looking for each number. So after I read the number, hit pause, look for the number, and when you're ready to keep going, hit play, okay? All right, so the first number is going to be 58. So find 58 and cover it with a cover. Okay. The next one's going to be 4. 67. 23. 48. 52. 24. 45, 27, 26, 38, 32, 74, 42, 76, 15, 35, 63, and 25. Oh, there's the bow. Let's wait for it to finish before we keep going. Okay. All right, so now you have all those numbers covered. If you missed a couple, you can look at the list above, okay? You see all those numbers? Those are all the numbers we're covering. I just read them out loud. You can also go back to hear me read them again. Okay, now that they're all covered, they're going to make a picture. So I need you to look at all the covered numbers on your paper. See if you can figure out what picture this could possibly be. It's a mystery picture. So once you know, keep it a secret. Okay, you know? All right, so now you can tell whoever you're with. Okay, so you can talk. You can say, the picture looks like, and tell them what the picture looks like, okay? So this sentence right here up in red, you can just finish that sentence. The picture looks like, I can't wait to see what you guys think. All right, let's go on to the next activity.